Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing two awesome 2021 Hot Wheels. Got the Chevy Silverado Offroad in both the colors for 2021. So, the first one is in orange, and the second one's in yellow. And these are 185 of 250 for 2021, 2 of 10 from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. And the first one is from L Case GRY92. The yellow one is GTC06 from the Q Case, last case for 2021. 2020 copyrights on both of them. Hot Wheels Hot Trucks are 4x4s and trucks ready to work or race. Another name for the casting is a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Well, 2015 casting. This is based off the 2007 Chevy Silverado. And there was a 2007 casting as well, which is a lowrider. But to differentiate the two, we just call the 2015 casting the Chevy Silverado Off-Road. I'll put a picture of the 2015 first edition of this one, and then I'll put the 2007 one after it. Alright, let's get the first one open. Just pop open there. And we're going to go with yellow. Two nice clean opens right there. We got a little tear on the first one, but that's alright. It wasn't too big of a deal. And should probably do a comparison of the two, but let's just spin the wheels, make sure they spin well. And yes, they do spin well for both of them. Let's take a good look at the two stacked right on top of each other. That would be a nice thumbnail picture. The newest one's on top, the older one's on the bottom. This is BF Goodrich on the side with a black stripe and Hot Wheels logo, and white stripe with the BF Goodrich on it. I'm not sure what that sponsor is. Probably should have looked it up before, but black interior. It's a crew cab, I believe. Or extended cab, whichever one. I don't really know much about the trucks anymore. I don't study the catalogs for the trucks that they sell. But this one is a nice metal flake orange color. Got the off-road lights and brush guard. And there's the front. Got the black tampos with the white stripes along that. And this is a very cool vehicle. Off-road wheels. They're called BLOR wheels. BLOR. I'm not sure what it stands for, but more black striping. And there's the bed. Black is diecast. No, the black is plastic. It's part of the interior. All of the orange you see is die-cast. I think I see a slight metal flake or metallic in there. There's the tailgate. 2007 Chevy Silverado. That's what it's based off of, but they just lifted it. And there's the Hot Wheels logo on the fender. Plastic base. 2020 copyright. That means let's see. It was retooled in 2020. This is the Q case variation. Wait a minute. Oh, we did have painted taillights on this one. It was so hard to see because it blended in so well. But this one has gray wheels on this. And the black stripes stand out way better on the yellow one. And it says BF Goodrich there again in white. And same deal on the interior. Same deal on the casting. The front tampos look a lot cleaner. This one kind of had like scratches all over the tampos. You watch me open it. I didn't do it. These would definitely be good vehicles for off-roading though. Man, it's pretty cold out here. I love doing outside unboxings though. Love showing off the cars in the cold. And since my hands are cold, I don't get grease all over the vehicles. Those taillights stand out way better on the yellow one. And I love the wheels better because they're not chrome wheels, so the chrome won't rub off. I don't really like chrome wheels just because it rubs off. Black plastic base once again. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I gotta say, I like the yellow one better than the orange one. But that's just my opinion. I'm not stating facts. Tell me which one you like better in the comments down below. I want to see if these can drift in the snow. Ready? 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 It's kind of hard to drift on such a small surface. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.